lovely idea, what a brilliant idea to begin a campaign. So we would like to know from you, Mr. Sandeep, about this whole campaign.
So we don't know, we just wanted to get a good experience to the customer first. So no, we always try to do something unique and innovative, so the customer get good experience about it and and we know now we are trying to go it for the mid of the year and having a blast in the mid of the year for the unboxing event.
So what's your take on this?
Actually, our source of inspiration of doing this event is our customers. Our customers have been our source of inspiration for everything we do. So when we decided that we are going to do world's first unboxing event and that too in an aeroplane, so you would know that there are a lot of rules involved and it's not very easy to do these events. But all this hard work is because we wanted to give a good experience to our customers. Our customers have been the centers for all the events or all the activities we do. So it's all for our customers.
What's the feedback that you want from the customers? Because this is something unique.
Actually, our customers have been very elated and surprised that okay, why you're doing it in the mid-air. And some of them are the first-time flyers, so it is their first experience to be in an aeroplane. So we are very proud as Top 10 and Oppo that we've been given this opportunity to take them 40,000 feet high and unbox the phone that they are buying.
Talking about the technology, what's new,
So
what's different.
it's different about the AI. We can say that very innovative AI features we have in this phone in Reno 12 series. So you can say when we click the pictures, the unwanted pictures comes around in your background and you don't wanted that pictures. So within a one click, you can remove all the pictures and only the pictures what you have is yours, and that gives the amazing experience to you. So you can share it on your social media, your Facebook, your Instagram, and everywhere. So you feel no, it's my what a lovely pic, and that was a unique pic I had it, and I wanted to share it to my friends and everyone.
It's not just the air we got, it's going to be on land and in middle of the sea also.
Yeah.
Tell us about that.
So actually, what we decided is that we want to give a lot of unique experience to our customers. This being one of the events where we are taking the customers in the sky in an aeroplane, which has never been done before, and we want to do such future events on land, in sea, wherever possible, and it's more about giving that experience, a memorable experience to the customers, having that unique thought whenever they think about Top 10 and Oppo. We want them to think differently, uniquely. That's why we are doing something of this sort.
So how's the feedback been? Are they willing to be, participating in something? Are there any challenges from the customers? Are they willing to travel and experience both the things?
Actually, we've been very fortunate. Our customers, like I told you, our source of inspiration is our customers. Because of them, we've been able to do this event, and they are more than happy to participate in such events. Unfortunately, we are not able to take all of our customers because the plane has a capacity of only 180 seats. So, in that way, we are very sad that we are not able to take all the customers who booked the phone from us, but very lucky few customers have been able to participate and come, yes, and there have been no problems as such. Customers have been more than willing to participate in such events, and as I said, that they are source of our inspiration. Yes.
What about the safety of the customers when they're traveling? Because it is challenging, taking them on high seas and
Yes,
obviously mid-air.
we are aware about the safety about them. First, we are carrying two doctors along with us in the plane. So anything happen, so it should not happen anything. But the doctors going to take care of them. And apart from that, we call them in banquet also and brief about the what's are the do's and does. We should do it. So though there should be no mishap in the plane, and we should do good and think good means we can say that we can do it in easy way. So that customer will be the most happiest person. I feel I know as an Oppo and Top 10, we always think about the customer first. So we want to make them happy. It is a token of appreciation what we wanted to give them, and we thought of doing this, right?
Yes. So what Mr. Sandeep sir is trying to say is that whenever we do such kind of event, the only foremost thought in our mind is, safety. safety comes first, whatever it be. So we carrying two doctors. Apart from that, DGC has laid down a lot of rules for the safety of people who are flying. So we've adhered to all those rules. We have contacted airlines. There are other government agencies who have laid down a lot of safety rules. So we are adhering to that. We have the customers who are flying for the first time. We have sat with them and we have explained to them what are the rules, what are the does and what are the don'ts. So I don't think any of that sort, any safety issues will come. We are quite prepared. Yes.
Any memorable experience or feedback that you got from the customers which you would want to share with your audience?
So one of the customers, he told me that when we are speaking to them, so he said that why are you taking us to the skies, or what is the reason that you want us to go to the mid-air and unbox this phone. I told them that as Top 10 and Oppo, you have taken us to skies. We've been very successful because of you guys. We wanted to return this favor to you guys. So that's why we are taking you to the skies and at that height and unboxing the phone. Thank you.
Any message that you would like to give to the audience as Top 10 and as Oppo for collaboration?
So I just wanted to give one message. Be with us, support us, Top 10 and Oppo. We wanted to be, get more and more new innovative phones for the customers, and be collaborated with us every time. So as our new phones comes, as well as new innovation ideas and everything comes, please participate with us and be our customer. And thanks for the customers. Customer is God, I think.
Actually, I would like to also thank all of our customers, the customers who are looking at this feed. I want to thank them personally on behalf of Oppo and Top 10 that they have been part of our community and they've been part of the family. We are inspired, and whatever we do, our source of inspiration will always be our customers. So thank you for being our customers. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for giving us all the love and support.
So what would you like to add? Happy moment with it.
आज हम लोग ने जो ये ओप्पो के साथ मिलके इवेंट रखा है, हमारे जो कस्टमर है जो टॉप 10 के साथ विश्वास से आते हैं, काफ़ी समय से वो हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, तो आज हमको लगा कि उनको भी कुछ ऐसा जैसे अभी आपने देखा होगा कई सारे कस्टमर हैं जो कभी प्लेन में बैठे भी नहीं हैं, आज वो भी उसका एक्सपीरियंस लेंगे। हमने इससे पहले भी एक जहाज़ के अंदर मोबाइल ओपन करने का इवेंट रखा था, उसमें भी काफ़ी सारे कस्टमर को हम लेके गए थे। तो आज ये नई सोच हमने लाई है कि आज एक ऊँचे उड़ते प्लेन के अंदर हम ये बॉक्स ओपन करेंगे और कस्टमर को एक अलग प्रकार का एक्सपीरियंस देंगे।
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
If you just stand, we just do visuals.
Okay.
Thank you. सर आप ही सेंटर में देखिए सर, सेंटर। थैंक यू सर। सामने
हाय एवरीबॉडी, मेरा नाम सुखविंदर सिंह पनेसर है। हम लोग ओप्पो लवर हैं क्योंकि 5-6 साल से हमारा ओप्पो के साथ काफ़ी अच्छा रिश्ता था। तो हमने पहले ओप्पो रीनो 3 लिया था और अभी हम 12 प्रो हमने परचेज़ किया है। तो अनिल भाई का थैंक्स जो टॉप 10 वाले हैं, उनकी वजह से आज हम जो हिस्ट्री क्रिएट होने जा रही है उसका हम हिस्सा बन रहे हैं। फर्स्ट टाइम इंडिया में नहीं, फर्स्ट टाइम वर्ल्ड में जो फ्लाइट के अंदर अनबॉक्सिंग हो रहा है फ़ोन का, तो उसका हम हिस्सा बनने जा रहे हैं। तो हमें बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत एक्साइटमेंट है। तो मैंने 2 फ़ोन बुक किए हैं, मैंने और मेरी वाइफ के लिए, जो कि मैं इसको गिफ्ट कर रहा हूँ। यहाँ पे आके इसको मालूम पड़ा कि मैं इसको भी गिफ्ट कर रहा हूँ फ़ोन का, तो वो हिसाब से बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है हमें यहाँ पे। तो ऑसम, जस्ट ऑसम। आप बोल दीजिए। जी फ़ोन देखा, फ़ोन की क्लैरिटी, एआई फ़ोन की
ब्यूटीफुल फोन है, बहुत
पिक्चर
अच्छा
क्वालिटी बहुत ही बढ़िया पे है। तो अब मेरा फ़ोन 15 दिन पहले एक फ़ोन ख़राब हो गया था पानी में गिरने की वजह से, तो मैंने 15 दिन वेट किया, इसको मैंने प्री बुकिंग किया क्योंकि ये नया फ़ोन लॉन्च होने वाला था, इसकी वजह से मैंने वेट करके, क्योंकि मुझे ओप्पो ही फ़ोन चाहिए था, इसकी वजह से मैंने ओप्पो फ़ोन अभी बुक किया, तो अभी हमने वो परचेज़ किए कर।
हेलो, भावेश शाह। प्रतीक भाई की वजह से मैं यहाँ पर हूँ। टॉप 10 ये जो इवेंट हो रहा है, ये मेरे लिए एक अनबिलीवेबल इवेंट है सर।
हाय, मैं निखिल। सबसे पहले तो मैं पार्किंग सर को मैं थैंक्स बोलना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि उनकी वजह से मैं यहाँ पे आया हूँ। और ओप्पो एकदम बेस्ट मोबाइल है। मेरे घर में 5 लोग हैं, मम्मी डैडी मैं मेरी बहन और मेरा भाई। 5 जनों के पास हमारे पास ओप्पो मोबाइल है और उसकी बॉडी, उसके फीचर, उसके कैमरा क्लियरिटी और उसका जो मतलब कितने भी मेरा 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 खुद का मोबाइल तो ये 10-12 बार गिर चुका है, पर फिर भी उस मोबाइल को कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है। इसके लिए मैं ओप्पो ही प्रेफर करता हूँ और सब लोग को बोलता हूँ, सभी मेरे फ्रेंड्स वगैरह जो भी है उनको भी बोलता हूँ कि आप ओप्पो ले लो क्योंकि ओप्पो से अच्छा मोबाइल नहीं है। बस थैंक यू। थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू।
All right, everyone in the house, let's hear it for Oppo. 3 cheers, hip hip. हाथ ऊपर करके hip hip. Hip hip. Superb. Thank you very much. Can we have a huge round of applause for Oppo and the top 10? Everyone, come on.
सब सामने देखिएगा, सेंटर
And now everyone smile. Okay, one more time. All right, ladies and gentlemen, ये थोड़ा और energetic होना चाहिए और धमाकेदार होना चाहिए. Come on, 3 cheers. Let's hear it. This time for top 10. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip.